To be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. Most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, an educationist and motivator. Dear students, today I am taking your report writing. Especially in this report writing, I am taking your 5 topics. First one, road accident. Second one, rail accident. Third one, air crash. Fourth one, shipwreck. And fifth one, that is fire accident. And first of all, I am taking your road accident. Regarding any report writing, let's know there is a title at the top. And a title must be innovative, attractive, eye-catching, and something unique and matchless, so that the readers may get attracted towards the title. And after title, then there is a date and place. Actually, in the opening, then we all have to know there is place, Aligarh, then date as June 30. It means initially we have to focus at these 3 points. First there is title, then there is place, then there is date and full stop. Then we must start our report. The points of our report on any accident will be: now, date, on which date there was accident, time, at what time there was accident, and at what place, at which place there was accident. And accident, as I am taking your road accident, in road accident between, we have to actually disclose the names of those vehicles between there was accident. If there is any car, matador, truck, tempo, XYZ, which one is on road. When there is accident, after accident, as the accident occurs, then what is the sight on the road, on the spot? Means sight on the spot. Definitely there will be hue and cry. The persons will run towards the spot. There will be loud noise, and then there will be, when there is actually accident and sight on the spot, and especially in this sight of spot, on the spot, there will be help by the social workers. It means passers-by, maybe nearby shopkeepers, maybe from nearby places. The persons will rush towards the spot to help the persons who are got caught in vehicles. And there will also be help by the local administration. Local administration help is considered help by the government. And after this help process, then we will assess the loss, estimate the loss, means estimated loss. There will be loss of lives, there will be loss of property. In loss of lives, how many persons died on the spot? How many persons got injured or admitted in the hospital? And loss of property regarding damage, loss to those particular vehicles between which there was accident. Then we have to know the regions. What were the regions of accident? Regions may be probable causes, probable regions. We must know the causes, and maybe a very clear cause, or maybe estimated or probable actually causes. Then after this, then present situation. Present situation means at present what is the condition of the injured persons who have been admitted in the hospital, and how many persons are out of danger, how many persons are in danger. So this is actually present situation. Actually this is about road accident. Accident which one is on road is called road accident, and accident which one is on rail means rail track, that is called rail accident. And the same, there will be the title in rail accident, then date, time, place. And accident between means if there is accident between two trains, if there is accident due to derailing, maybe any cause, but there is accident, then that particular accident is to be shown. Where there is accident, what is sight on the spot. And in help, actually as in help on road accident, help by the government means police will reach, social workers will inform the police, ambulance will reach. And here on rail accident, there will be not only one ambulance, maybe many ambulances, maybe many persons, maybe actually major loss, great loss, many persons will die. Like this, then help by the social workers, help by the administration, this will also be on rail accident. Then loss of lives, loss of property, and probable cause or causes, and present situation. The same points are on rail accident. And next one, that is air crash. The same points will be on air crash, report on air crash, means date, time, place. In the same way on shipwreck, I am taking both air crash and shipwreck. Title, date, time, place, and accident. If accident is between two aeroplanes, if accident of aeroplane that is due to actually a problem in engine failure, or fire in the engine, or actually accident against any bird. In shipwreck, maybe between two ships, between actually ship and boat, maybe any iceberg, due to that there is accident. Like this there may be accident. And accident, then what will be the sight on the spot, where there is the material of the aeroplane, air crash spot, persons will be there, and rescue parties will also be there. In shipwreck there will be rescue operations. It means there will be help by both social workers, by government administration. There will also be loss of lives, loss of property, and again probable causes and present situation. Actually in fire accident, we all have to know there will be some common points, but some other points will be different from these points. For example, there is fire accident, means we have to write down the title. Actually, if there is fire in market, shops, in actually cold storage, fire in shops and fire in cold storage, maybe fire in any godown, anywhere, in any building, in any mall, wheresoever there is fire accident, then the points, date, time, place, and cause of accident, then sight on the spot, how many actually parties of fire department were engaged, in how many actually hours, minutes the fire was seized, was controlled. There will be actually social workers to help. There will be local administration, and then we have to assess the loss, estimated loss, loss of life, loss of property, how many persons were actually died, and property loss in lakhs, and region may be short circuit, any other region, and the present situation, ultimately the fire is under control and the persons who were injured, burnt badly, are admitted in hospital, and how many persons are out of danger, how many persons are no more, are in critical condition. This will be actually in present situation. As I have taken these 5 topics: road accident, rail accident, air crash, shipwreck and fire accident. Dear students, if we know these points, on the basis of these points we may write report as per our word limit of report writing. I think if you pay attention, you may get perfection in report writing. In making this video, our PGT Mr. Naveen Vasist has cooperated a lot. I say thanks to him and thank you very much to you all.